Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Asim, aka Phase 1 LE, and today I'm basically going to be doing an unboxing for the Speed Engineering headers and X-Pipe for the Camaro SS model. I personally drive a 2018 Camaro SS 1 LE, and this is basically going to be a really simple video of me just unboxing this. We can kind of go through the things together. I'll do some close-ups. So if you're thinking about buying this, I'm going to try my best to give you an unbiased review or objective view of it, so you can make a decision if you're looking to get this. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, really quickly, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dimensions of the boxes that the header and the X-Pipe arrive in case you guys are looking to ship it or send it or whatever. I think it'll be useful information. You are looking to just get the Longtube headers. They come with a few things, and this box is approximately, I've done the measurements, it's approximately 3 feet and approximately 10 inches, okay? If you get the X-Pipe and all that good stuff, it's approximately 16 inches wide, and it also is 3 feet. So I think it's useful information. I don't know if that's gonna help you out, but if you live somewhere where you need to ship it somewhere, get it shipped, you know, those are the dimensions. Total, they both weigh about 65 pounds, so you could say 32 pounds each. And just to give you an example, if you're looking to ship these both from, like, say, Texas to California, just as an example, from like the distance, it's going to be about $150, $160 with FedEx. I guess, you know, from Miami to California would be about 300. I don't know, but that's the approximation. Use it accordingly, and let's move on. All right, guys, I've got everything out for you. These are the headers. Now, the headers look pretty good. No complaint. They come with these gaskets here. So we'll look at those headers there. I'll go a little slow so you can kind of see everything. Now with the X-Pipe and everything, I got all these goodies here. Came with this. You guys can kind of get a close-up look. And then, as you can see, we got the X-Pipes. Now, quickly, I'll take a look at the header, and we'll get into that, okay? Okay, guys, if we look at the weld on here, not bad. The weld looks pretty good. The pipe itself, as you can see, goes like this. It's mandarin bent. You've got your welds down here. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let me go ahead and get a light. So that is how it looks inside. Daddy. Okay. If you guys want to see anything else here, there you go. There's some of this guy here. Okay, if you want to look at the welds on the inside, Okay, some of that weld action in there. If you guys want to quickly look at this good stuff. Okay, EC Delco, I guess. Now, this header here that I got was a little bit bent. Like this bottom piece was a little bent here. It was like flat. I was actually able to reach out and have a conversation with Speed Engineering, and they gave me a $30 discount, and they actually talked me through it. They said that you can go to a like O'Reilly's auto shop and get it fixed. You can rent a tool. I actually ended up doing that. I will show you that in another video, and yeah, you can take a look at that. And they gave me a so customer service was actually really good. Once I actually talked to them, responded super quick. So I highly recommend talking to Speed Engineering. If there's a problem, they will fix it for you. And then let's go ahead and take a look at this X-Pipe weld. Things look pretty good. Looks like that's looks pretty good. I mean, for me at least, I have no idea, but it looks like this is Mandarin bent. Yeah, so that is it. If you guys have any questions, you can post them below. I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna put it on, and I will also tell you the shop that I will be using. Super excited. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, or make fun of me. I don't care, whatever. Just do it so I can have some interaction. I'm, quarantined right now. It's like 2020, summertime, super bored. So if you want to talk shit, if you want to say some nice stuff, great. I would love to hear it. Thank you.